Another sign I would say for everyone to notice is hope, especially for people who've lost their jobs, lost a loved one. We go through an interim, psychosis, and that is what we call grief. Like this is more of a prolonged agony for them. They lose hope with, simple things as living. I mean, much as they want to do something about their lives, they would rather not do it, and they would just tell to themselves that they don't have hope to live. They
Mm,
have no hope in finding a new job. They have no hope after their parents had passed on.
mm.
So, those are just some of the signs, but those are the major six signs that I can tell you, that you would notice with someone that they need help.